So I think that's pretty cool. Then we had Danny Pink, guy who'd been in the wars, who's now a math teacher, right? And he's Clara's boyfriend. So we have him as a soldier, but we really see him as a man who protects children because he works with middle school children. We don't have a lot of middle school teachers who are male, right? Because we don't pay them enough. And that's bad because young men need to see that teaching is an excellent career, that caregiving and that nurturing the younger generation is a valuable thing to do with your life. So Danny Pink is really important in that respect. And of course, in the same way, sadly, Danny becomes a Cyberman and he makes this ultimate choice. The doctor has one chance that you can come back alive from that. And he gives it to Danny. And instead of taking it for himself so he can come back and be with his girlfriend, he gives it to the little Afghan child that he accidentally shot when he was in the wars. He gives away his chance to live to a boy that was, accidentally shot by him. And I'm like, what a powerful thing for a male character to choose to do. I think that makes Danny super, super sensitive, right? And super strong.